This is Chuck Reed with Kriete Truck Center. Here we've got a 2019 Mack Anthem sleeper. This unit's got a 445 horsepower MP8 engine mated to an M-Drive 12-speed automated transmission. Flame red pearl paint job. 609,000 miles on this unit with Mack certified warranty through 690,000 miles or April of 2027. 264 rear axle ratio, ExGuard front grill guard, 221-inch wheelbase. Come scoop this truck up. Runs and drives awesome. Been through service, ready to rock and roll.